Every day, we eat different foods. But have you ever wondered what hidden nutrients are inside the plants we eat? Fruits and vegetables are not only made of vitamins and minerals, they also contain powerful natural compounds called phytonutrients. These plant nutrients are created by plants to help them survive, grow, and protect themselves from challenges in nature. When we eat plant-based foods, these phytonutrients become part of our daily nutrition and support our body's natural systems. Many phytonutrients work as antioxidants, helping the body fight against free radicals, substances that can affect our cells. That is why eating a variety of fruits and vegetables is an important part of a healthy lifestyle. Different plants contain different combinations of beneficial compounds, giving our bodies a wide range of nutritional support. Some plant compounds support heart health, some support eye health, and others help maintain healthy cells. But in today's busy world, getting enough fruits and vegetables every day is not always easy. Busy schedules, limited time, and daily challenges can sometimes create gaps in the nutrients we receive from our diet. To help fill those gaps, some people choose nutritional supplements made with plant-based ingredients. Nutrilite concentrated fruits and vegetables brings together plant nutrients from a variety of fruits and vegetables in a convenient tablet. It contains plant-based compounds including EGCG from green tea, lutein from marigold, lycopene from tomatoes, and nutrients from pomegranate and orange. With ingredients sourced from nutrient-rich plants, Nutrilite helps make plant nutrients easier to include in your daily routine. Nature has incredible nutrients hidden inside plants. Choosing whole fruits and vegetables is always the first step, and Nutrilite can help support your journey toward better nutrition.